Hi, I'm Colin Boyle. I'm the Product Marketing Specialist for Projectors for Canon Europe. You're visiting us here today on the Canon stand ISE 2019. And here we have a creative installation using 3 of our XEED WUX 7000Z laser projectors. These utilize all of the XEED Canon technology with ISE and LCOS technology for excellent color reproduction. And they're using our 06 ultra-wide lens, which has a huge lens shift that can go up to 104% plus or minus, allowing huge possibilities for creative installations. Here we're partnering with a company called ManCG, who've used a carbon black screen which reacts to the laser light to give you excellent color quality even in ambient light conditions. As you can see, brilliant color here and deep blacks and good contrast. If you want to find out any more about any of our products, please visit canon-europe.com/projectors.